Alright, this is a rundown on how to use the latest version of WordPress. This is a page on the website. I'll show you how to get inside from the front end. It's very easy. Once you're logged in, this panel will appear on the top. All you need to do is click Edit Page. It'll bring you to the back end of the website, and you'll see a very clear rundown of all the information you have so far. In the new version of WordPress, each section is its own little compartment. This is a text compartment. This is another text compartment. Each paragraph turns into a new compartment. This is a header. You want to make as many headers as possible. It makes it more organized, and also Google likes it, which means the website will rank a lot higher. Let me just show you an example of how to add a picture to the page. Right, constructive learning theory. You click plus right underneath that. You can do it anywhere, but you may as well do it in the right place where you want to use it. And then you search for image. Here's an image. There we go. And upload. It's this simple. Now I already have the image prepared. I already compressed it. I made it the right size. It's 16:9 aspect ratio. And then alt tag is very important. You want to describe what's there. In this particular case, you could just write, for example, Chabad Girls Academy, teacher with students. That's pretty much what this picture is. You want to describe it very accurately. It will help the ranking on Google. And then you could add another picture here. I always recommend as many photos as possible. Then over here, the Google Preview section. This is what, if someone searches in Google, for example, about Chabad Girls Academy, this is what they're going to see. So you want to make sure that you want to make sure they see something very accurate. Usually I recommend starting off the verb. So learn more about the Chabad Girls Academy located in Brooklyn, New York. You want to keep typing until it reaches the amount. I'll just show you, add random stuff, and there you go. There's the green. As soon as you see green, you know that the meta description over here is long enough. You don't want it to be too short. You don't want it to be too long. If you keep going too long, you'll see it turn orange, and then no, it'll just stay orange. It used to be that it goes red. I guess they changed it. But you don't want it to be too long. You don't want it to be too short. I'm just going to leave it like this for now. We'll fill in the rest of the information later on. And that's pretty much it. Let me just show you a few other things. Let's click update. You want to keep updating just in case you lose the information. It should save, but never allow in the system. The dash. If you want to create an unnumbered list, you click dash, and it automatically turns into this. Push enter. You add more over here. If you want to, for example, turn it into numbers, just hover over the actual thing, turn it into numbers. That's very useful. The more drop downs you make, the better. Google loves drop downs, and so do users and customers on the website. They'll always love ordered and unordered lists. It makes it very much more organized. The document over here, a few notes. The permalink. You always want to make sure this is the URL slug is what's actually shown in Google in that website itself. I always recommend making it as small as possible. So you see over here it says about. That's changed by the URL slug. It shows you there as well. The featured image. This isn't very important for pages because there's no real featured image in a page unless you think it might be saved on social media, but it isn't usually. But for blog posts, it is important because the featured image is going to be very important. So you upload a picture, and then I'll show over this. This will be the primary picture of this post. Again, this is a page, it doesn't matter. Discussions, this will allow comments for the blog. You want to allow it, but for pages you don't. I think that's it for the pages.